news was fine. Can you hear me? Blah blah blah. I got stopped out today on ES because I read a 15 wrong, but that's fine. So we were bullish today. We had a topside divergence which didn't go anywhere. You can see it's pretty weak. It's not that bad actually, but I was like, oh, we're pretty bullish coming into session open. There was no real high time frame imbalances. We had this 4 hour below, which got tapped into, plus this bottom side liquidity swept, but it was pretty weak off of that. So I was thinking potentially we get tap into this bottom side and then top side, but that's a New York thing. That will probably happen in New York after sweeping these highs or something. Yeah, because it's got an hour or whatnot. It'll probably grab some of this and come lower, and then grab this and come higher. Depends on news too. New York's been a bit fucked up, but okay, so there was this 15-minute fair value gap. That's a 5-minute. There's this 15-minute bottom side and this 5-minute above. And as ES swept its top side, it looked like a good sweep. So I was looking for shorts, but we know London is a continuation time. And this is even more knowing for me because this is even better for me because now I know, like, I don't know specifically why we were so bullish. Like, I know we respected this 15-minute really well, obviously, and it should have just been longs off there, like, literally straight away. But yes, Nasdaq hadn't swept its, so it could have been a divergence, but that doesn't really happen in London, so obviously. And then by the time ES has swept and then it continues higher, we know we're going to get that continuation further on. So from there, but I was stopped, so I didn't want to get into a trade. But from there, we know we're continuation time. We have this 5, which gets tapped. A lot of tapping, not many halfway taps. So I'm going to start getting in on just taps, because that's better, right? And this, I'm pretty sure, makes a 15. Which is kind of inverse on Nasdaq. But ES is kind of the leading pair for the day. And as you can see, 15, halfway tap. It's pretty beautiful, you know? And I probably wouldn't want to execute on the 15 because it's London. We don't have that much liquidity and movement. So have orders on the 15, right? Because by this time, oh, that's a short. Oh my god, whoops. This is perfect because ES has swept and we've got the continuation, and then by this time, Nasdaq is through its sweep and we haven't got anything more, so we know we're just going to continue higher. So we get the 5-minute tap, but even if I executed here, it'd be with the 15-minute, but stops would be probably just there. TP, just top side. There must be an order block or something. Which gets, it's already been tapped, the order block's already been tapped. So yeah, you just go here. That's that quick position, quick dubskis. Obviously, how can I make my stop loss better? Oh, just below this high here actually. Yeah, because that kind of counts as a little high. And yeah, so I read it wrong because I was thinking sweep, but then of course it made me nervous with this. And divergence is just, unless it's high time frame, it ain't good. Like, yeah, and it was perfect respect to the 15. Because I was looking for, oh yeah, we fake out the long buyers, we fake out the buyers with this sweep and then continuation, but obviously faked out the shorts. So yeah, with this perfect sweep. And the price action was like nice down to the sweep. It was good shit. And then from there, just constant bullish. My mate was also saying, technically you have this as hourly liquidity, which is also Asian highs, which gets swept. It's not, is it really a sweep? And then you just have to go off 1 minute confirmation. Just like that. Yeah, that's that. Stopped out. It's okay. We learn. Now I know. Because London, all about the continuations, I reckon. And this is another example of people who short getting faked out. And I was thinking, we could have shorted down on the 1 minute, been an easy as scalp. Easy as fuck. Break structure on the 1 minute. 1 minute fair value gap. Tapped in. Just shorts at the halfway. TP. Boom. That is a long. I have these messed up. Nah, gotta have long first. Wouldn't be far, it'd be just there. That's a nice little one. And we can take those little scalps, definitely. But this shit also, easy continuation. Easy as fuck. And this 15. Now I know when one pair sweeps, the other doesn't. It can be a divergence, but on a shorter time frame like this, when we're trending bullish from the tap of this fair value gap and little sweep, because as you can see, it's shitty bearish, and then when it sweeps, it's a bit shitty, but then it gets a bit better. On ES here, we just feel some imbalances. So that's the divergence bottom side. But yeah, that's that. Learning from today. Don't get faked out by fake divergences. We're all for the continuation. If we have the bias, go for continuation. Because it literally just respected this to get back down to this 15 to then come higher. If you think about it in terms of just NASDAQ, don't even look at ES, because it isn't at this liquidity yet and it respects this fair value gap, well, this fair value gap, we are going to come bearish to get some imbalance to go bullish, which is what happens. So we can just do that as well. Oh my god. Jesus. You know, some shit like that. So that's that. Easy done. Simple shit. Simple shit. Just, I'm overcomplicating it, I think. I just need to play the simple game. Continuations, imbalance fulfillment, order block TPs. Got this shit. Hell yeah.